Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to English class. How are you? I think you're fine and safe. In the previous class, we have started Unit 3, Man and Media. Did you read the textbook well? Today, we are going to take the portion, the radio. In the previous class, we have completed the part, the story of messages. And we discussed about how the messages sending started, when it started, where it started, how was the Pony Express formed and end. Today, the part is the radio. Let's read the textbook. Let's listen. The radio is just over 100 years old. It was Marconi who invented an instrument to send the wireless message. He sent the first radio message in 1895. This marked the birth of the radio. So, who invented radio? Marconi. When did Marconi invent the radio? 1895. And how old was radio? Radio is just over 100 years old. It was invented by Marconi. And he sent the first radio message in 1895. And it marked the birth of radio. It was, in fact, developed from the telegraph, which was invented by Hooke and Wheatstone in 1835. Radio developed from telegraph. Telegraph was discovered or invented by Hooke and Wheatstone in 1835. Later, it was perfected by Morse. The word telegraph is derived from the two Greek words, telos, which means distant, and grapho, which means to write. The invention of the telephone by Alexander Graham Bell in the year 1876 was another revolutionary step in the field of communication. It became more popular because the person at the other end could hear the speaker's voice. Then in the two paragraphs, we are discussing about radio, telegraph, and telephone. Who invented radio? Marconi. How old was radio? Only 100 years old. Who invented radio? Marconi in the year 1895, which marked the birth of radio. Then, who invented telegraph? Telegraph invented by Hooke and Wheatstone in 1835. Who perfected telegraph? That was Morse. Morse perfected the telegram. Then, what is meant by telos? Telos means distant and grapho means to write. From the word telegraph derived. The word telegraph derived from the Greek language. The word telegraph derived. Telos means distant and grapho means to write. Then, who invented telephone? Telephone invented by Alexander Graham Bell in the year 1876. That was another revolutionary step in the field of communication. It became more popular because the person at the other end could hear the speaker's voice. So it was the revolutionary step in the field of communication. Then look at the cartoon below. What idea do you get? In your textbook have a cartoon. Look at it. In the cartoon, a girl is telling, "Let me see the cartoon, please." Then boy, "I must see the cricket match." Mother, "I have my favorite serial now. Let me see it." And grandmother, "It's time for Ramayana. I want to see it." This is the cartoon. What is the idea do you get from this cartoon? What does the grandmother like to watch? The grandmother like to watch Ramayana. And what is the boy's preference? Yes, the boy's preference is cricket. And then what is the preference of mother? Yes, mother is choosing serial. And what about the girl? Yes, girl is choosing cartoon. So, do all the people have the same taste in watching the TV program? No, all the people do not have the same taste in watching TV programs. How it different? Yes, it will different based on age. It varies from person to person. Young people interested in cinemas, sports, etc. Old people like to watch spiritual programs. So, it's very important in our day-to-day life, television. It became very important in our life. That is the television. The television brings the world in front of us. Everybody likes to watch it. Do you like to know something more about the TV? Now read on. Television. The television is one of the miracles of science. It is not an idiot box, but a magic carpet. Somebody tell TV is a idiot box. വിഡ്ഢികളുടെ പെട്ടി എന്ന് പറയാറുണ്ട്. But it's a magic carpet because it brings the world in front of us. It's a miracle. It's one of the miracles of science. Do you know who invented the television? It was a Scotsman named J.L. Bayard. Who invented the television? J.L. Bayard. Bayard made it possible to present moving and living pictures of men and events on the screen. In those days, it was only in monochrome. Monochrome means black and white TV. The color television became popular in 1970s. Its vast potentialities as a powerful medium of mass communication cannot be underestimated. It is indeed one of the most sources of entertainment and enlightenment for all. Programs on subjects like health and hygiene, nutrition, family planning, and agriculture are of immense help to men and women, especially in rural areas. So, who invented the TV? J.L. Bayard in 1870. Then, Bayard made it possible to present moving and living pictures of men and events on the screen. സ്ക്രീനിൽ ചലിക്കുന്ന ആളുകളുടെയും വസ്തുക്കളുടെയും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സംഭവങ്ങളുടെയും ചിത്രങ്ങൾ അദ്ദേഹം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. In those days, it was only in monochrome. ആ സമയത്ത് that was black and white. But the color television became popular in 1970. Its vast potentialities as a powerful medium of mass communication cannot be underestimated. നമുക്ക് വിലയിരുത്താൻ കഴിയുന്നതിനപ്പുറമാണ് ഇതിന്റെ ഒരു പൊട്ടൻഷ്യാലിറ്റി. It is indeed one of the best sources of entertainment and enlightenment for all. Programs and subjects like health and hygiene, nutrition, family planning, and agriculture are of immense help to men and women, especially in rural areas. പലതരത്തിലുള്ള പല സബ്ജക്റ്റുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടും ഇത് വളരെ ഹെൽപ്ഫുൾ ആണ്, എസ്പെഷ്യലി ഇൻ റൂറൽ ഏരിയ. The television plays a very significant role in educating the farmers on the use of different kinds of fertilizers and pesticides. It is helpful for the farmers because it will help them to know about the different kinds of fertilizers and pesticides and new methods of cultivation. In addition to giving villagers professional guidance, the television can present a whole variety of cultural programs as well. Not only about farming or cultivation, it presents whole variety of cultural programs. Man is born in the stream of culture. The invention of the television has enabled him to enjoy and see with his own eyes the cultures of different people living in different communities. നമുക്ക് പല സ്റ്റേറ്റുകളിൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പല രാജ്യങ്ങളിൽ ഇരിക്കുന്ന പല കൾച്ചറുകളെ കുറിച്ച് ആളുകളെ കുറിച്ചൊക്കെ മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ കഴിയുന്നത് ഹെൽപ്പ് by the use of TV. Then this medium of audio visual communication has a very powerful appeal. It can therefore be used for educational purposes also. Lessons on science, mathematics, geography, and other disciplines are often telecast. In order to educate the public, more programs on traffic rules, health and hygiene, law and order problems, etc. are also to be included. The TV programs usually deal with many other subjects and topics of current importance. It is used for educational purposes also. How? Lessons on science, mathematics, geography, and other disciplines are often telecast. In order to educate the public, more programs on traffic rules, health and hygiene, law and order problems, etc. are also to be included. A man, after a day's hard work, may switch on his television set and derive immense pleasure. He feels greatly relieved after the day's fatigue. Fatigue means tiredness. So, a man after a day's hard work, after his work, when a man comes to his house, TV will give him immense pleasure and a relief for his fatigue, for his tiredness. That much important is TV in our life. So, we have discussed about radio and TV. Who invented radio? Radio invented by Marconi in 1895. How old was TV? Around 100 years old. And telegraph, which was invented by Cook and Wheatstone in 1835. Who perfected telegraph? Invented by Cook and Wheatstone. And who perfected telegraph? Yes, it was perfected by Morse. And from where the word telegraph invented or derived? The word telegraph taken from Greek language, from Greek. And what is meant by telos? Telos means distance and grapho means to write. And who invented telephone? Telephone invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876, which was the revolutionary step in the field of communication. Then, which is called an idiot box. TV is called an idiot box. Then who invented TV? TV invented by J.L. Bayard. When did the color television become popular? The color television became popular in 1970. What are the programs? What are the programs using TV? Or how did it help people? It helped people by giving some important programs based on farming, agricultural cultivation, and educational purposes, and for the common men also. It will help them. So these are the importance of TV and radio. Then let's discuss some questions in the textbook. Why do we say that TV is a magic carpet? Why do we say that TV is a magic carpet? TV is one of the miracles of science. It brings the world in front of us. We can see moving and living pictures of men and events in the screen. So it is called a magic carpet. Next, how is TV helpful to the people in rural area? How is TV helpful to the people in rural areas? People in rural areas are generally ignorant of health and hygiene. Health and hygiene means വ്യക്തിശുചിത്വം ആരോഗ്യം എന്നൊക്കെ പറയും. But TV help them awareness, giving awareness of such subjects. Thus, they are helpful to the people in rural areas. Not only about health and hygiene, it will help them to know nutrition, family planning, etc. Then, how is the TV helpful to the farmers? How is the TV helpful to the farmers? It educates the farmers on the use of different kinds of fertilizers and pesticides and new methods of cultivation. Thus, it is helpful to the farmer. Next question. In what way is the TV helpful to propagate culture? In what way is the TV helpful to propagate culture? TV presents a whole variety of cultural programs. TV presents a whole variety of cultural programs. It has enabled man to enjoy and see with his own eyes the cultures of different people living in different communities. Thus, TV helps to propagate culture. In the field of education, the TV plays a dominant role. How? In the field of education, the TV plays a dominant role. വളരെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ഒരു പങ്ക് വഹിക്കുന്നു. How? എങ്ങനെ? Yes, lessons on science, mathematics, geography, and other disciplines are all often telecast. These are of immense help to students. These are of immense help to students. How does the TV entertain people? How does the TV entertain people? People derive great pleasure from TV. They feel greatly relieved after the day's fatigue. So, in many ways, TV helpful to. Okay. Up to here, today's class. Then read the textbook well. Only 2 parts I have taken, radio and television. Read that 2 parts well. And try to understand the questions also. Underline the new words in your textbook and write it in your English notebook. And study well. Then let's wind up the class. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.